How to change language in Bilibili. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Bilibili website by typing in bilibili.tv in the address bar. Next, log into your Bilibili account if you haven't. Once you are logged in, locate and tap on your profile icon, which is usually positioned at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with various options for managing your account. From the drop-down menu, look for and select the option labeled Language. This section allows you to customize the language settings of the Bilibili website according to your preferences. Here you will see a list of available languages. Browse through the list carefully and choose the language you would like the site to display in. Once you make your selection, the website will automatically refresh and load in the language you have chosen, giving you a fully localized Bilibili experience. Now you know how to change language in Bilibili. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.